What is it? What is it? What is it? Say please.
5 clicks.
5 clicks, the main.
Five main clicks that if you wanna know the Bushman language, you should know those clicks. Those are the basics of the language. If you know them, you'll be knowing the language. Yeah, it's like when I said sit down, a cutting egg, the brandy bush, your head, the cooking oil, you see? Same thing, but it's a different, the way you're sounding, louding up, going down, up, down.
So what is ni? What am I saying? Ni?
When you said you mean brandy bush. When you said you see? Can you hear that sound? Yeah, those, you know, it's when I said I mean sit down, come here. Sit down. Cooking oil. A cutting egg. The brandy bush that we were eating this morning. You see what I mean? It's one word, but the sound up and down is the one that make a difference.